In this video, I will show you the all new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2022. It's a nice design, impressive specifications. What else can I say, guys? Just have a look at it. To be honest, all Apple devices, all their MacBook Pros, they all look identical. It's just the hardware, really. See, as you can see, this has got the latest Mac OS on Monterey. Impressive resolution, Retina display as usual. So overview. Let's go down to the specifications now. So guys, here's the technical specifications. I will scroll down for you. Have a look. You can pause it at any stage and read it. Guys, comment, tell me what you think of the new MacBook Pro 2022. Tell me what you think, guys. Write a comment. Looks nice, but as mentioned, they all look identical. It's just the hardware, really. So look, I will go into more detail here. Right, I think I've covered everything. Okay guys, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.